Okay, so now we're missing the whole, which is the of. So this piece right here is our whole, and that's what's missing. And this is our is, and this is our part. So the first method we have is from example 3, which is in section 4.4, when we're doing part divided by percent equals whole. So you're actually going to take this problem, and you're going to say 15%. Of means to multiply. We don't know what our of is. Our is equals, and then we write our 9. We are then knowing that this is our percent, this is our whole, this is our part. We are now going to take and we're going to reverse it to look like this. So our part is going to be in the front. So 9 divided by your percent equals our whole, which is blank. Okay, so we are going to take 9 divided by, and you're going to do 15 over 100, or you can do 15 hundredths as a decimal. So you're going to do 9 over 1 divided by 15 over 100. You need to make sure you do your keep it, change it, flip it. What's great is I can cross cancel. And then I have 300 over 5, which is 300 divided by 5. And that gives us 60. So we're going to say, equals x. And then we're going to say 60 equals x. So we're going to say 15% of 60 is 9. And that's what we're missing. We're missing our whole. So that was our method 1. Same thing, we're missing our whole. But this is method 2 that we learned. And method 2 is with our ratio table. So of is our whole, is our part. So we're going to draw 8 boxes, just in case we need to find the middleman. And we're going to write part over whole. And then we know the 15% is going to go here. That's going to be our fraction. So it's going to be 15 over 100. And then our is our 9, and is our part. So we have to make sure we can put 9 there, but it's not going to go in very nicely. So we are going to have to use our middleman. So is going here, our part, it's going at the top. So now we know we have to figure out a number that we can bring it down to, that we can bring it back up. So 3 is a great factor here. So we're going to do 15, and we're going to divide it by 5. So that means we're going to do 100 divided by 5, which gives us 20. Then we're going to do 3 times 3 is 9, which brings us back down here to 20 times 3, which is 60. And then we're going to look, and this is going to help us. So 15% of 9 is 60. So we're going to say 15% of 9. Nope, sorry. 15% of 60 is 9. 15% of 60 is 9. And we're going to underline that, and then that's my final answer. Remember, this is all your work. You need to make sure you tell me your final answer at the end. Right? And then our last one is the method we learned yesterday. And this is still finding our whole. And then this is our part. All right, so we're going to do percent over 100 equals is over of. So the 15% goes here. So we're going to do 15 over 100. Our is our 9. So it's going at the top, your numerator. Your whole is what's missing. So that's going to be your variable. So now we're going to do our okay. We're going to do our arrows. So we're going to say 15 times x equals, and then we need to do 9 times 100. So let's make sure we multiply first. So 15x equals 900. We want x to be alone. 15 is in our way, so we have to do an inverse operation. We have to show division because this is multiplication. And we're going to do 15 divided by 15 because that'll make it 1. And now x is alone. But what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So we're going to do 900 divided by 15. And then if you do 900 divided by 15, you get 60. And then you're going to say 15% of 60 is 9. Because the 60 is your x, so that means 60 goes here. And that's what's missing. That's your ofs. Your x is your of, which is here. I hope this helps. You can rewind, you can replay it, you can look it over, use it to study, go back to each method and try them out. Bye, guys.